Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to give you some that how you can actually install or pair the Xfinity doorbell, the ring doorbell. So here is it for the quick install and pair instruction. So the quick installation instruction is sign into your Xfinity app using your My Rogers username and password. Then select the Home tab. After that, select add smart device, then select video doorbell from the list of options. Then select get started and follow the steps in the app connect your Roger Xfinity video doorbell. Now here is quick pair instruction. Once the doorbell has been installed, the light will turn white and start blinking when it's ready to pair. It will start connecting to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone through the app automatically. This process could take a few more minutes to complete. Once the doorbell light turns blue, it's ready to be named to and customized through the app. Follow the in-app instruction to complete this process. Now here is full install and pair instruction. First, launch the Rogers Xfinity app to follow along with the in-app prompts to install your chime kit and the doorbell camera. Then download the Rogers Xfinity app from your App Store or your Google Play Store. Then launch the app and sign in using your Show ID or My Rogers username and password. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on in your mobile device settings. For Android device, you may be asked for location permission and services which are required to complete the pairing process. In Rogers Xfinity app, click a Home tab at the bottom of the screen, then click the plus sign on icon in the top right corner to add a new device. Select Rogers Xfinity video doorbell to get started. Turn off the power of your doorbell. Determine which breaker controls your existing doorbell and chime, and turn off the power. If you don't know which circuit the doorbell breaker is on, turn off the main breaker on to your home, then try ringing the doorbell to make sure the power is off. Installing your doorbell while the power is on may result in severe injury and or damage to your doorbell. Remove the chime box cover. You may need a screwdriver to do this. Remove any batteries, then click or check how many wires are connected to the terminals. For setups with two wires, then remove the terminal screw halfway. Hook a wire from your chime kit around the terminal screw on the top of the current wire and tighten the terminal screw. It doesn't matter which wire you use. Repeat this step for the other wire. For setups, these three wires, check that the wires are labeled front, trans and rear. If the wires are labeled any other way, connect a licensed electrician and you will connect to two terminals. Loosen the front terminal screw halfway. Hook a wire from your chime kit on top of the current wire around the front terminal screw. Tighten the terminal screw. Repeat the same step of the wire and the terminal screw labeled trans. Place your chime kit inside the chime box. Then you can use the tape on the chime kit to attach it inside the chime box, making sure it isn't touching the doorbell, or if there isn't enough space, you can attach it to the wall next to your chime box. Replace your chime box cover. You may need a screwdriver to do this. Once completed, you will be able to install your doorbell. So that's pretty much all instruction for you how you can actually install and pair your Xfinity video doorbell. That's pretty much all thing. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.